Hi, Renee here. I have another Disney layout. I have one more to go after this, and then this series will be done. And then I can start looking for my pictures to put them on, so that'll be exciting. So here is this layout. Let me grab a couple of photo placeholders so I can kind of show you how this might work. The reason I didn't put placeholders on these layouts is because I wanted a little bit of freedom to decide how I wanted to do it. I wasn't sure what I wanted to do yet. So let me show you real quick. So this one will probably be a 4x6. Probably a 3x4 right here. I think if I had this to do again, I would cut this red piece just a little bit wider so it would frame this entire thing. So I may actually take a 3x4 photo and cut it down by 1/4 inch on both sides. You don't have to have pictures that are the exact sizes. You can get them printed and then cut them down yourself. And normally what I do is I get 4x6s and then I just crop them to whatever I want. So that's kind of how I do it. So that's kind of what I'm going to put over here. And then I've got a 3x3 that I think I'll do down here. And then possibly a 4x4 here. So something like that. And then on this side over here, I haven't decided exactly what I'm going to do because it is sized for a 4x6. So a 4x6 would fit right there. And then I could put, let's see, a 3x3 down here. Now, I think that kind of runs into a couple other things that I'm doing, so I'll probably cut it down and make them kind of a non-standard size. So that's what the pictures will probably look like. Then let me show you, the original design for this was actually a homeschooling layout. And what it was the ups and downs of homeschooling, which goes right along with the ride theme. So it was really a cute idea. But seeing as how my baby is 30, I won't be homeschooling in any time in the future that I know of. So what I changed it into was, to go along with my Disney theme, is I'm going to set this up as our 6 favorite things at Disney. I can tell you right off the bat, one of them is going to be Expedition Everest. So that'll probably go right here where I have the What a Ride sticker. Some of our other favorite things are restaurants. We have some favorite restaurants. So I may grab some pictures from the restaurants, or I may add some ephemera from those restaurants. This little place is down here. These are to put just little notes about each one. So I'll just do 1 and then what it is, like 3. I would do 3 Expedition Everest. So that's my idea for that. I cut these letters and the numbers out of my just my letter dies. I just have some standard letter dies and numbers that match. And so there's the letter, the numbers. So I just cut those out from my dies. And then for my numbers, what I did was I used one of the tag dies, the circle tag dies, and the numbers fit perfectly inside those tags. And then I just used the silver brads. Here they are, the silver brads, to attach each one of these little tags. And then depending on how they go inside my photo album, if they start moving around a lot, I'll probably just stick a, what's it called? A glue dot. Once I have my pictures in, I'll just stick a glue dot to keep them still so they don't go flopping around. I used several stickers, and these are zip strips. Let's see what else. I think that's pretty much it. So what I changed on this is, this was supposed to be Lagoon, but I thought I really wanted to pull in some of this red holographic because I had a few more little pieces left. So what I did was I just put these 2 on each side, and that kind of tied it all together. And I thought it also worked well by putting some of the red stickers and then using red for the lettering to all tie that together. So that is this layout. If you would like to see the process, I did turn on my camera while I was creating. This one probably will be a little bit longer because I wasn't quite sure what I wanted to do, so I was doing some moving around, so you get to see my process. Now again, I did start with a basic framework that another consultant has put together for this paper pad. So if you would like a copy of those instructions, they are free. I would be more than happy to send those to you. Just leave me a comment down below and I will be happy to get that to you. So I hope you're having a great day. Stay tuned for the process and I will see you with the final page, the final layout here, hopefully shortly. Take care.